Please, thank you, sorry. Please,
I'm
thank
not a
you,
Mynah
sorry.
bird.
Please, thank you, sorry.
Class, manners are important. Does everyone know how to be a polite person? For example, say please, thank you, and sorry to people around you whenever it's needed every day. They are basic manners. In order to encourage all of you, next week I'll choose the most polite student as our star of the week.
Please, thank you, sorry. Please, thank you, sorry. Please, thank you.
Nina, what are you murmuring?
I'm practicing please, thank you, and sorry.
Practice? Why do you need to practice?
It's because our teacher said that next week she'll choose the most polite kid to be the star of the week in class.
Are you sure that all you have to do is say please, thank you, and sorry, and then you can be the star of the week?
That's what our teacher said.
Huh?
Please, thank you, sorry.
Oh.
Please, thank you.
Whoa!
Please!
Now, I am going to hand out your homework. Nini?
Here! Thank you!
Ouch! Nini, you stepped on my foot. That hurts.
Did I? I didn't step on your foot really hard. Forget it. In order to be the star of the week. All right, I am sorry.
That's rude. Everybody, now I am going to announce that the star of the week is
It must be me.
Damin Wong.
Why not me? I have tried so hard to practice please, thank you, and sorry. Why am I not the star of the week?
Please, thank you, sorry. Please, thank you, sorry. Please, thank you, sorry.
Wow, you can say please, thank you, and sorry. Cool.
Please, thank you, sorry. Please, thank you, sorry.
Little girl, have you ever seen such a polite Mynah bird?
Huh?
All you have to do is to say please, thank you, and sorry, and be star of the week?
So then I'm just like the Mynah that can copy people's speech. Please, thank you, sorry. Please, thank you, sorry. Please, thank you, sorry. This is certainly not real manners. Sir, it doesn't work this way. Your Mynah didn't say these polite phrases, please, thank you, and sorry to me from the bottom of its heart. That doesn't count.
Yeah, you are right.
Hello, everyone. My name is Nini. At first, I suppose that as long as I say please, thank you, and sorry very often, then I would be a polite kid. However, my mom told me that there won't be any difference between me and a Mynah if I only copy these polite phrases 100 or even 1,000 times rather than saying them with gratitude and modesty. Let's speak from the bottom of our heart rather than being repeating Mynah.